I am here at Cloudland Canyon State Park in Georgia. I am here to do the Waterfall Trail again. Last time I was here in January, I really felt like I was struggling, and today I want to almost like redeem myself and try to do a little bit better. Oh my gosh, we're already at the top where it forks to the other waterfall. Last time I did this, man, it was so tough. It was so tough. I'm breathing heavy, but I can still have a conversation. So that just shows me that I'm definitely making some progress towards my fitness. So pretty proud, pretty happy, but the trail's not over yet. That was so much easier than the first time I did it. The first time I thought I was gonna die. Today was a really good day.